Sanibonani, igama lami uNomvelo wakwaNgidi. Ngiqhamuka eMthwalume, igama lenkampani yami i-Cakes by TOS. Ngazalelwa eMlazi, then 3-4 years ngabuyela eMthwalume. My mother's side, ngafunda George Mbele High School. That's where I finished umatric wami. Ngabe sengiya eSite TVET College for ifundo zami ze college, and then I went to do baking. Got do it like a chef ePotchefstroom. It's actually a funny story ukuthi ngihambe ngiyokwenza i-course ye-baking. A friend of mine wangifonela wathi asambe siyokwenza i-baking. I was never interested in it, but I was like, okay, because vele ngihlele ekhaya, I'm not doing anything. Sahamba, and that's how I got into baking. Ngahamba naye, then I started baking. She continued with her things. Use order kumina manje. Okay, so business lami laqala ngo-2022 mangibuye esikoleni. But nakhona ngangenza ama-order for family and friends kungasiyinto enkulu because I was still scared ukuthi ngibhakela abantu. Then kwahamba, a friend of mine asked for a birthday cake, which was ngathuka because I've never done it before. Ngamenzela, I posted it on Facebook. People liked it. Ngathola a few orders, and then I started ngisekhaya ngaqalela ukubhaka ekhaya. Okay, the reason behind igama lami, elinye igama lami engalithola somewhere uSunshine. So my mother wathi mesihleli phansi because we were thinking what are we going to call the name? I mean the business. And then she was like, why don't we say taste the sunshine? Whenever someone edla makeke akho, they will taste the sunshine. And that's how Cakes by TOS came about, because TOS stands for Taste of Sunshine. Okay, so we offer coffee, we offer cakes, we offer birthday cakes, and we also do desserts. Amakeke esiwenzayo, if client lifika lizofuna amakeke, siqale sikuye ngokuthi ufunela i-event or occasion kanjani. And then si decide based on that. Let's say umuntu mhlambe unomcimbi omkhulu odinga amakeke amaningi. Then kunama boxes, we have buckets, sihlukanisa kanjalo. From now going forward, I want to have a coffee shop, a proper coffee shop. I want to have a bakery and hopefully a school where I teach people. For now, new things like e-zinc, that's what I want to do. That's what I'm hoping to do in the next year. My challenges, being self-funded, kunzima kakhulu because fanele unagi business and uznage wena yourself. So finances iwona, and also getting customers is really hard kwindawo esikuyona. Introducing something new, because a coffee shop emakaya, people will be like uzosibiza kakhulu, and you have to convince people ukuthi you're not that expensive, you are reasonable, but also try and make profits out of that. Taste of Sunshine is one of our well-established bakeries in South Coast. Freshly baked cakes, that's what you get every day. You get freshly baked cakes every day. Okwamanje, i-target market yami abantu for birthdays, celebrations, and mostly ceremonies. For now, siphuma only on request, siye to Potchefstroom or Mzinto. That's where we end for now. If umuntu efuna ukutapha into this business, ikhona business. Yes, baningi abantu abayenzayo, but if uzimisele and ufuna ngempela ukwenza something uyayenza. There are late nights, so you need to be a person osebenza kanzima. So if you want to do it, you can do it. Okwamanje, we are based eMthwalume, eMathulini, eBukhosini Business Center. Kune coffee shop ngaphakathi. Ama contact details ethu on Facebook, uNomvelo Ngidi, on TikTok, uTaste of Sunshine, and then my contact details, it's 068 450 3411. I think this business can be the next billionaire in future.